Hey guys, Jason here with BounceWave Inflatable Sales. Behind me are two of our big boys, our two-piece units that slide with slip and slide attachment. We'll come over here first. We'll show you this 26-footer. This is the Fiesta Fire. It is in stock, and I love the color run on this. Absolutely amazing, as you can see. The back we put a 1.5 on just for the video. It'll hold in that. It's really windy today, but it'll hold 1.5. A 2 would probably be the right choice. It gets it up a little quicker. But this is just an amazing unit. It's just has a lot of pop, a lot of character. This is one that's going to go a whole lot, and this time of year is a perfect time for them, guys. These two are in stock if you're in the big slide segment, and that's what you like. They're going to bring your money back before the end of summer. The cool thing is, if you can get them now, get them paid for. By the end of summer, you go into next year and you own them, and they're profit centers from that point on. So for me, putting a two-piece in at this time of year, my goal is to maybe get it paid for, maybe make a little bit of money on it, wrap it up for the winter, dry it out. Next year I own it, and I'm off and running, and it's a profit center. So Fiesta Fire is awfully good, guys. 26-footer. And look, so they got to be, you know, I've seen a few things out there where the folks building these aren't making them as seamless as possible in the build, where the transition goes from the slide to the slip and slide, and that does need an overlay there, right? Because if you have just a big gap there and the slide liners don't overlay from the slide to the slip, it creates that wedge in the middle and that pulling in the middle, and that's where the kids stop or where an injury can occur. So you got to make it as seamless as possible, and I'll show you a little bit better on that on this 29-footer. So over here, if you come over to the 29-footer, and you can see it's awfully big, true to size. Again, this is for you guys who want to get in the big slide run, and we have them. I have these size slides, and I get all the money for them. If I don't get all the money, they sit. I won't rent them. But you know, you always get those guys. I want the biggest you got, and you charge them a $300 delivery fee. You know, that's what these things do for you. But if we walk down this one here, and we come to the to where the transition is in the middle, Austin, and you'll see. So where these transitions end up coming together, you need the overlays to make it as seamless as possible. And as you can see, if you show them right here, Austin, where it's coming together, so you got gator flaps outside of here, and again, we put it together pretty quickly, but you can see all the different overlays. And then if we go back, this liner comes all the way across and folds over, as you can see over there, to make that transition. And underneath that, we don't have it all hooked up, but there's also flaps here that will connect the center together as well as it goes all the way across, and everything lays back over, which then makes it as seamless as possible, as you can see on that side. So that's some of the concern you're getting from some of the other companies on the two-piece units. It's the right way to do it, guys. That's the way that's going to make it fun. You know, kids are going to go all the way down to the pool and make it enjoyable, and they're not going to get snagged in the middle there. So these are both available, guys. Look, if you're in the big slide run of things, these aren't for everybody, but for you guys that can handle the big slides, these two will just absolutely kill it. Both sides, I have both these sizes, many of them, and they'll do really, really well. And again, if you don't get the money, don't take them out. This isn't something, you know, that you buy and you rent it for $300 or $400 by any stretch. You know, if I'm not getting almost $1,000 for this, it doesn't go. And if I'm not getting $700 for that, it doesn't go. But they're going to pay it. People want the biggest you got, and if you don't have anything large, they're going to go to someone else. So 888-901-WAVE. These are in stock. They're ready to go. Come pick them up. They could ship however you want to do it. You'll have it paid for 4th of July week. You're going to run them that weekend. You're going to run it 4th of July. You're going to run it the weekend after. That should be 3 or 4 rentals just in that week. If you can get it to about a 12 rental, 11 rental return on these, that week of 4th of July, you get 3 out of the way. You don't have much to go. They're paid for. They're making you money. 888-901-WAVE.